Introducing the Affordability feature, a simple yet important filter that allows users to search universities and courses of study by price range. When you navigate to the course search, apart from standard filters like institution name and destination country, you have the ability to search by affordability. Searching for a specific currency, destination, university, field of study, or price range, the Affordability feature has you covered. Using the intuitive interface and simple workflow, you can view different course levels and fields of study within a specific price range. The latest filter in our course search, the Affordability feature, is built with a simple visual interface and provides accurate fee information at your fingertips. Want to learn more about Accelerate features? Check out the Accelerate 1.9 release video to get more right fit students from application to enrollment faster.